Hi, I am Linda Green and I am a dōTERRA wellness advocate, and I've been doing this for 16 years since dōTERRA first began in 2008. I really enjoy learning about these oils, what they can do, and I'm constantly learning. So I'm just wondering, do you ever get in that zone of that fight, flight, freeze? You're just maybe kind of panicky, just jumpy and worry a lot. Well, there's some oils that I think will be super beneficial. I've got a recipe that I think you might like, and I'm going to call this the Peaceful Heart Blend. So these are so simple. Anybody can do these, and it's kind of fun to do. So we're going to start with Serenity essential oil. Serenity is the calming oil. It's restful blend is what it's called. It's really great for sleep. So obviously it's good to calm your mind and ease tension and just give you that calming and grounding benefit that you need. And it creates this atmosphere of just kind of like a deep sigh, a deep breath. So we're going to do 5 drops of the Serenity. And I use dōTERRA's essential oils. Like I mentioned, I'm a dōTERRA wellness advocate. So here we go. 3, 4, 5. That's pretty easy. And next we're going to use 5 drops of the Balance Blend. This is the grounding blend, and it's calming. The oils are mostly trees, so they have roots, they have grounding benefits, and it helps you feel committed and determined, and like you can accomplish things. You can have that inner strength and overcome the challenges that might be stressing you out. So 5 drops of this. Maybe. All right, 5 drops of that. Now this one might be a little challenging because the Vetiver essential oil is also very grounding. It's a root, and it helps you to stay grounded as well, but it's super thick, so it might take a little bit extra minute to get this poured in. So it's really grounding, and it's very good for calming and relaxing and just letting go, and it helps people to be centered, grounded, and aware. So those are great things. We want to be centered and grounded. So here we go, and we're going to do 3 of these, maybe. It's starting to move. There we go. You can see how thick that is and how it pours kind of slow and kind of thick. Then the last oil we're going to use is Roman Chamomile. It's a sweet oil, it's soothing, and it really has that calming effect too. It's also, Roman Chamomile is really good for self-confidence as well. I love that. And it helps you have, feel like you have purpose and feel inspired and a little more fulfilled and enlightened. So we're going to do 2 drops of Roman Chamomile. That one comes out super fast. Then we're going to just top this off, and see, you can't really see it, but the oils only go up to here because they are so powerful. You don't need a lot of drops. Then we'll just fill the rest with the dōTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. And usually I make labels, but the labels that I bought are the wrong kind. They are not the waterproof kind. So I'm gonna have to reorder some and get some different ones and get that label made. So there you have it. I've just filled it up to here. I actually filled it up just a smidgen higher, so hopefully it's not too full. Then I'm gonna stick that. I love this little gizmo. It helps so much to keep it stable while I'm snapping on this roller bottle top. And I want to make sure going all the way around. There we go. It popped and it's in place. I'm going to do it one more time. It's not quite there. There we go. So now you can see it's nice and snug. Just going to put this, let me smell it first. Yeah, it's very calm and not too heavy. It's not too strong, which I love. This recipe, you can use 5 to 10 drops of the Balance, the Serenity, and maybe 3 to 5 drops of the Vetiver and the 2 drops of Roman Chamomile. I wasn't sure how strong it was going to be, so I just went with those lower amounts. So there you have it. And like I said, I'll get a cute label put on here as soon as I get those labels. All right, you guys, we want to be calm. We want to be centered. We want to be grounded and be able to enjoy life without being panicky or feeling super tense and just jumping at every little thing. So anyway, this is going to be a good one. You guys take care. I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel and learn more about essential oils, roller bottles, and all the good stuff. All right, take care. Bye.